great sport. The adrenaline rush you get from it's unlike anything else. But to be able to do and do what I love for a living is just a dream come true from a little kid.
Different. I mean, even the same will be like doing different things like knights. I mean, they're an animal and they have their own brain. They're not trained to do this at all. I mean, they love to do it and they learn different tricks and how to throw people off. And it's really interesting to watch.
It's a dance. The bull he's leading and then I gotta follow. So it's just it's poetry in motion.